Here's a shocking truth. You could have $1 million net worth and still feel broke every single month. On the other hand, $10,000 in steady monthly cash flow could give you the freedom that most millionaires only dream about. So, which is more important, cash flow or net worth? Welcome to Wealth in Billions, the channel where financial intelligence meets wealth mastery. If you want to build passive income, grow unstoppable net worth, and achieve financial freedom, you're in the right place. Stick with me to the end because what you're about to learn could change how you think about money forever. Let's start with the basic sign. Cash flow. That's money flowing into your pocket regularly. Rental checks, dividends, royalties, side hustles, or profits from an online store. It's immediate, it's flexible, it fuels your lifestyle. Net worth. That's the big picture. Assets minus liabilities. Assets include real estate, stocks, businesses, and savings. Liabilities include mortgages, loans, and credit cards. So, which matters more? One provides daily freedom, the other measures your empire. Together, they determine your wealth destiny. Here's the truth. Cash flow is oxygen. You can survive without a big net worth, but you can't survive without cash flow. Think of someone with a $3 million house, but no income to pay property taxes. That's being asset rich but cash poor. Cash flow does four things. 1. It covers your lifestyle. 2. It funds reinvestments. 3. It keeps you liquid for opportunities. 4. It gives you peace of mind at night. That's why billionaires are obsessed with income streams. Each one is like a river feeding into their financial ocean. Now, once cash flow is secured, net worth becomes the scoreboard. History's wealthiest families, the Rockefellers, the Rothschilds, Gates, and Bezos, measured empires in net worth. But here's the secret. Net worth compounds fastest when fueled by cash flow. Dividends get reinvested, rental properties appreciate, businesses scale, and wealth multiplies exponentially. Think of it this way. Cash flow is the engine. Net worth is the vehicle. You need both to reach financial freedom. Millionaires and billionaires don't think paycheck to paycheck. They think stream to stream. Their businesses run without them. Their income flows 24/7, and their assets keep growing. Wealth is not just numbers. It's a mindset. When you focus on flows and assets, you stop trading time for money and start letting money work for you. So, here's your action step. This week, don't just check your bank balance. Check your cash flow. How much comes in automatically? How can you increase it? Then track your net worth side by side. Subscribe and drop a comment below. Are you focused more on building cash flow or net worth? In part 2, I'll share real-world strategies to create multiple income streams and accelerate your net worth growth. Stay tuned. This could be the turning point in your wealth journey.